Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, we'll be diving into the fascinating world of Photoshop to create a realistic dual lightning effect. This technique is perfect for adding drama and depth to, let's get started, okay? The first thing first, open your desired image in Photoshop and make sure it's a high resolution image for better result. Okay, so you can open image by going to the File tab and select the Open, and from here you can choose the photo you want to work on. Okay, so for this tutorial, I already have these images and I want to work with this one, and I want to show you how to use and make the dual lighting effect in these images. Okay, the first thing is I will go to the select tabs and select the subject, and here is automatically give me the subject selections in here. Okay, and then the next step is I will make a group. So click over here, a group, and here I have the group in there. Okay, then with the group, let me make a add layer mask. So click over here, and here I got it, and the layer marks in there. Okay, so this is our layer marks, and the next step is I will use here and make it the black and white. Okay, so you see the black and white. Now you can see we have now the black and white images in there. Okay, so here we have the black and white. Now the next step is I will make it here again the gradient maps, and here we have now the gradient maps, and with this one let me select in the properties and change here the different colors. So in with the gradient editors, double click in here and let me choose colors you want to use for your pictures. Okay, so for this tutorial I will use this one, then hit on the OK again. I will use the OK, and here we have the pictures and with the selections in there. And then for the better lightning I want to use here the blend modes and make it the highlights in there, and this is the hard light. Okay, so here we have now this one. Now the next step is I will use a brush tools in here. Let me select the brush tools, and you can choose the hardness, the different, or you can make the different brush sizes. Okay, so for here, I will use this one and I'll just drag in there. Now you can see it gives here as I will just paint over a brush over here for the more appealing in there, and it can be highlights in there. Okay, so here I just use this one. Now the next one is I will make it as the duplicate. So you can use it and make it a duplicate by the right clicking here and use the duplicate layers in there, or you can use here the Control plus Z for duplicating, and here we have now the duplicates one. Okay, so here we have now the pictures. Now what I'm gonna do, I will use and make it the invert this one. Here we have the inverted one, and here, okay, then the next step is I will just inverted one and I'll just use the different colors. So let me choose and make it the different colors. So for example, I'll make it as like the retains or these colors, and here we have now the different colors, and you can now see it can be more dual effects in there in your images. So here we can use it, and you can do whatever your prefers or whatever you desire for the image. Then hit on the OK, and then again I'll use the one. Okay, so here now you can see we have the images and the dual effects in there. Okay, so by following this way or following these steps, you can easily create an image with the dual lightnings effect in the Photoshop. Okay, and also refine the lightings areas using layer marks and the brush tools. Adjust the opposite and is in there, and you can easily use it. Like if I want to change the opposites, and now you can see it is a different opposites in there, and so I can use this one, but I can use this or decrease this opposites for the better options. Now you can see the changes with the opposite has the different or we have now the pictures in there with the dual effect. Okay, so and there you have it, standing realistic dual lightning effect in Photoshop. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.